what's up guys, Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a healthier rendition of our local favorite called Healthy Nasi Padprik. Check it out. That interesting combination of the chicken or the beef as the protein and the vegetables and the rice can make it a complete meal. So this is what I've done this week. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in this week. Hope you enjoyed that healthier rendition of Nasi Padprik. Thanks so much for your time guys. Appreciate you and do subscribe.